Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a carrier bearing on a Toyota Tacoma. First, gather all necessary tools, including a torque wrench, sockets, and a sturdy jack. You'll also need a new carrier bearing and some fresh grease. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to secure your vehicle after lifting it. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's get to removing the old bearing. Before you unbolt anything, mark the driveshaft components to ensure proper alignment during reassembly. This prevents vibrations later. Carefully remove the driveshaft bolts and gently lower the driveshaft. You'll then need a specialized tool like a press or a puller to safely extract the old carrier bearing from the driveshaft. Take your time with this step. With the old bearing removed, it's time to install the new one. First, thoroughly clean the driveshaft to remove any debris or rust, ensuring a proper fit. Carefully press the new carrier bearing onto the driveshaft, making sure it's seated correctly and oriented in the right direction. You might need a specialized tool for this, or a large socket and hammer, being careful not to damage the bearing. Finally, let's reassemble everything and perform the final checks. Carefully lift and reattach the driveshaft, aligning all the marks you made earlier. This is crucial for preventing future vibrations. Torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specified values. This ensures everything is secure and safe. After lowering your Tacoma, take it for a short test drive to confirm smooth operation. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.